everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my agua de horchata recipe. This recipe I got from my mom because, you know, when we were little, she would always make agua frescas for my sisters and I, and there's so many agua frescas that I would love to share with you guys, but we would need a whole day to make them. So today I chose my favorite, which is agua de horchata. You guys are going to need jasmine rice, evaporated milk, condensed milk, regular milk, and some sugar. For the rice, there's a little secret, and this is going to bring your recipe together. Yesterday, before going to bed, I left 1 cup of jasmine rice soaking in a bowl with a cinnamon stick that I cut in half. This is a secret I got from my mom because she says that if you leave the rice soaking overnight, it's easier for the next morning when you're going to make your water for it to be, it's not going to be hard. You want it to be soft when you're going to put it in the blender. And when I was trying to explain to you guys, when I was trying to think of how to explain this recipe, I was thinking, why do I put it in a bowl overnight? I didn't know. I had to call her, and that's what she said. I guess I've always watched her do it since I was a kid, and then when my kids got older, I did it this way, but that's the secret. It's easier to blend, and you don't want any hard pieces of rice in the water, and if they're soft, then that's how you do it. In this blender, I have 2 cups of water, and we're gonna blend the rice, including the cinnamon stick, all together. So we're gonna put it on here. Oops, that exploded. Okay, so we're gonna add our rice in this pitcher I have 6 cups of water, and I already added some ice. We're gonna add our evaporated milk. I have 2 of these. And the condensed milk, this is the sweetener to the agua. If you guys like it very sweet, go ahead and add more sugar. For now, I'm going to add these 2 cans, and I'm going to taste it and see if it's sweet enough. If it's not, we could always add some sugar. This makes the water, I don't know, I guess gives it a rich taste to it, and it's very flavorful. Then we're going to add 2 cups of regular milk. Okay, we're going to stir it. And then I'm gonna taste it to see if it needs any extra sugar. Let's see. I need more sugar. This is going to be depending how much you guys want to add, so I don't really have a measurement for the sugar. Like I said, some people like it very sweet. It all depends on your taste, okay? Better. That's very good. Okay. So that's how you make the agua de horchata. It's very simple, and it's very delicious. If you guys are going to make more water, you guys are going to need more rice, you guys are going to need more of the evaporated milk. Everything's going to double depending on the quantity that you guys are wanting to make. So this is perfect for this size container, and it's very refreshing. I wanted to say thank you again to all the people that have been coming from TikTok. I've been getting all the messages. Thank you very much, and for all the subscribers that are coming just from YouTube. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys' support, and I hope you guys are learning from my recipes. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Provecho.